Alright guys, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. It's Monday, February 3rd, 2025. Last week we were able to finish off the month on a very strong note. $2,400 payout for My Funded Futures. If you haven't watched that video, make sure you guys check out the channel. It's in there. 8K total for the month of January in payouts. My best month ever in trading. This month we're trying to make it hopefully 5 figures. 10K payout for the month of February. We're starting off on a very strong note right now. We have a couple Apex accounts close to a payout and one My Funded Futures account, one green day away from a payout. So hopefully we're able to stay disciplined, stay patient, and make sure we execute on these trades, and we'll see how the month goes. All right, guys, here we are on my Apex dashboard. Just want to give you guys a quick breakdown of where we're at right now, starting off the week. Starting off the week pretty decent. Drawdowns are still at the max level. 5 of these accounts are pretty close to a payout. We're going to try not to worry too much about that, because once you start worrying about the money aspect of it, it kind of throws off your trades. We're going to make sure we take we bring a good process mind and process oriented, and the money will take care of itself, right? Here we are with My Funded Futures. Again, here's the total available amount. Distance to drawdown, pretty decent on these accounts. And yeah, I'll show you guys my charts. For anyone that's new here, I trade the same levels every day basically. Start off on the 60-minute. I mark out the session high, session low, 50% retracement. And when I come in here, I also do London highs and lows. Already you could tell on CL, London has been swept. So nothing here on CL for me right now. My next level on CL would probably be somewhere around here, 71.94. So we'll wait for that. NQ is another instrument that I trade. Again, session low, session high, hourly pivots, which are marked here on the chart. So then we zoom into the 1 minute. We have Asia low, London low down here. And we just wait until it gets tapped into, right? Nothing else to do until our price hits one of our levels, gives a clean reaction, and then we jump into our trade. Remember, all we control is our patience, our discipline, and then once the setup presents itself, we make sure we execute. We'll wait and see what happens. All right, guys, here we are. This NQ might get the close under here. I gotta zoom in. 1 second. No freaking trade for me, man. It's just one of those days. It gets close, but it can also just sweep down here like it did here and then just reverse back up. So I can't jump into this. It's just not, it's not my setup, you know. It could go right now without me, but I gotta stay patient. I'll keep waiting. It might go without me, but again, that's trading. You gotta be willing to just watch it go without you. There'll be more setups to come. All right, guys, so here we are. It looks like we're gonna get that close. So now I'm just here waiting, ready to put an order out on my lead account. If it keeps going further, we'll see. This has been the trade I've been waiting for all day. So order filled. I am in. Took it in short there, 91.50. 91.50, 18.5 point stop loss. We'll be looking for a 2R here. So got in on that pullback pretty decent. Let me go ahead and set my stop loss. 9.75. 9.75. TP is 454. 454.75. 454. 4.75. There's my TP is set. You can't see any of my orders on here, but if you go MNQ, just added MNQ on here, you'll be able to see all of it. Yeah, so I take it on NQ. Now let's see, I'm in on my Funded Futures, and I'm in here on my Apex accounts too. So let's go ahead and zoom in on this. Let's place my +1R break-even target. There we are. All right. So we're in the trade. First trade of the day. Let's see how it goes. Again, don't control what happens when I'm in the trade. Just control the process throughout or while I wait, right? So my emotions are pretty much in check right now. We'll see how they feel once either we get taken out or we reach our profit. Another confluence that helped me take the trade here is ES, also closed below this gap. Currently it's going back up, but NQ is still down here. So it's showing me that NQ is a little bit weaker. ES is a little bit stronger, but we might get that rollover and end up getting the trade to 2R how we like. So we'll just keep waiting it out. YM's pretty strong. Okay, guys, so the trade ended up going against me. Well, it went against me at first, went in my favor here for a little bit, and just right now it came through and tapped me out for a full 1 hour loss. My emotions aren't checked. I don't feel any type of way about this one. It was a good setup, good quality. Like I said, we got the movement we wanted. Just it's a super strong day today. Trump and news and all that going on. So they keep moving the market up. It is what it is. All right, guys. There is another setup coming in. YM. Let's see.
Order filled.
Okay, we jumped in on this YM short here at 0.7. We're expecting a little sell-off here. We are in premium, high premiums, and I'm expecting a little sell-off here towards the end of the day. ES is also rejecting here. So we had a sweep above and started rejecting. NQ from the previous trade took me out here, and now it's going again. So I waited for this YM setup, and we'll see how this one goes. Again, we are getting a lot of selling pressure from all three indices, so I'm thinking that we might get a little sell-off here towards the end of the day. And YM gave the clearest setup that I trade because I trade YM and NQ, so we'll see how this goes. All right, let's see. Let's set up all our things. 4,700. Let me double check. We're in Apex. We're in on my fund of futures. Okay, let's make sure we place our break-even targets. Is my stop loss even set? No stop loss set. Set it at 31. All right, guys, second trade of the day. We're getting some strong selling pressure here. Let's see if we're able to make something out of it, or if it just faked me in and then goes and breaks the high again. 31, 638 is my TP. 38. Okay, so all my stuff is set here. Nothing else I can do. I don't control anything else, so we'll just wait and see. All right, guys, so here we are. YM got in the trade up here. Took a little bit of drawdown, took a little bit of heat here, and just came in and tapped my break-even target. So what we're going to do now is come up here, and we're going to move our stop loss to slightly in the money by 3 ticks, I think I do. So, wow, that reaction there, it looks like it might come up and just take me out. We'll see. So no more risk on the trade. Moved it to break even. If it comes back up, it comes back up. But I did like the reaction we got right here. We got an inversion of the fair value gap right here on this one, on the 2 minute. And all three indices gave the same reaction. So here's ES on my left side, NQ on my right side, or MNQ. This is NQ. This was the previous trade I just got stopped out of earlier. And now we're in the YM trade here. This is YM. I have my TP set if the price wants to move from down here and come tap me out. But other than that, my stop loss has been moved to break even. Nothing else for me to do. All right, guys, so here we are. Price is approaching. I had already attempted one tap here. I did a little pullback. Now I'm expecting this to get swept. And if it does, it should reach our full TP here because it's only 5 points. So with that volume spike, it should get me out there. 1 tick away. Here, you'll be able to see here. Here's my order, just hanging out there. And we're...
Order filled. Order filled.
There you go. You love to hear that noise, right? And there you have it. That's it for me. I managed to took 2 trades on the day. This one was a loser. The NQ trade was a loser. Sucked. Great setup. But I noticed this YM trade setting up afterwards because it just swept here previously and then it gave the setup. Usually price tends to manipulate and then give you the setup. So sometimes you got to be a little patient and wait for that to happen. And then I did. I noticed ES and NQ were both acting similar to YM. YM gave the best setup. I jumped in it, took a little bit of drawdown here, but ultimately ended up working in my favor for plus 2R. And in the day plus 1R green. Let's see, I'll do a quick, here are my funded futures. I'm calling it a day here. And here are the Apex accounts. Green. You can see I'm not there yet, but we're going to keep trying, all right? I'm not going to force any more trades. I'm calling it a day here. All right, guys, so this is me later out in the day. I come here, show you my funded futures. I was able to finish this account and get this payout for this week secured. So I took a payout here on the 27th last week. 1, 2, 3, 4. This day doesn't count as a trading day. And then today was the 5th trading day. Again, we took the plus 1R on these accounts. And we managed to get it to 5 trading days in the green and another withdraw here. So I took out the max withdrawal, 1200, payout, across the bowl, 1200. Again, super quick, super easy process with RiseWorks, and already got paid out. So we're starting off February strong. We're going to try to keep the momentum going, making sure we're taking good trades, staying disciplined, patient, and we execute. And let's keep it going, guys. So thank you guys for watching again. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one.